Hi everyone, my name is Aura Milena Rincon Martinez and I am from the fantastic city of Barranquilla. I was born on January 25th, 1981, so it means I am 37 years old. I am happily married and I have two gorgeous kids, Marcela and Andres Felipe. My hobbies are cooking, reading, boxing, going to the movies, sleeping, and teaching. Well, I've been working in a school, bilingual school, for 13 years, and it's been a meaningful experience. I've been working with little kids, and I think that it's been a wonderful experience, so I decided to get a degree in education at UNAT University. Then I want to continue studying. That is my purpose. Well, I have to explain part one, that was my introduction, and part two, there are some questions about the introduction to linguistic and language study by Maccabi. Okay, question number one is, how do you compare the quotation from Wallace Shafe at the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of linguistic? Well, I find it helpful to think of linguistic form as if it were located in a pane of glass through which ideas are transmitted from a speaker to listener. Under ordinary circumstances, language users are not conscious of the glass itself, but only of the ideas that pass through it. The form of language is transparent, and it takes a special act of will to focus on the glass and not the ideas. Linguistics undergo on training that teaches them how to focus on the glass. The experience of becoming conscious of previously unconscious phonema is one of the principal joys of linguistic work. That is from Wallace Wells. Chef, why do you think some people approach the study of linguistics with apprehensiveness? Is that your case? Explain. Well, many people think that linguistics is someone who speaks many languages and works as a language teacher or as an interpreter at the United Nations. In fact, these people are more accurately called polyglots. While many linguists are polyglots, the focus of linguistics is about the structure, use, the psychology of language in general. Well, linguistics is concerned with the nature of language and communication. It deals both with the study of particular language and the search for general properties common to all languages of large group of languages. Is linguistic about correctness in language use? Explain. Languages often have alternative expression for the same thing. Car and auto, and a given word can carry different senses. Riverbank versus saving bank, or function as different parts of a speech. To steal, verb steal, noun, because languages naturally adapt to their situation of use and also reflect the social identities of their speaker. Linguistic variation is inevitable and natural. What are the names of the greatest contributors to linguistic fields? How could you label each of them? For example, Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics. The field of linguistics exists in order to help us uncover the answers to some of these questions, to make sense of the brilliant yet potentially chaotic noise that surrounds us every day. It concerns itself with the scientific analysis of morphology, structure, syntaxis and arrangement, phonetics in terms of vastly improving understanding, communication, and preservation in some cases. And education, it is because of individuals such as this that our understanding of language has been redefined and the foundations were set for others to build upon. Thank you so much.